So whenever you open a trading account, you can download this MT5 trading platform from the broker site or from Google, and then you install it in your computer. And it looks like this. Okay, let's now familiarize ourselves to the main windows. Okay, so una-una po, this is the Market Watch here. Market Watch. Okay, this is where you will find ano ang mga ite-trade mo. Okay, if you are looking for something like any currency, okay, pwede mo siyang dito, punta ka dito. Okay, punta ka dito and then click to add lang. For example, index. Kung wala siya. Yun, US 30. Pwede. Enter mo lang and then lalabas na siya dyan. Okay, so the MetaTrader 5 can trade not just currencies but other financial markets. Crypto, stocks, lahat-lahat. Marami po siyang options. Okay, so ito po ang Market Watch. Below that is the navigator window. So the navigator window will let you see and input yung mga EA robots. Kung gusto nyo po, any indicators na i-add nyo and your accounts. Okay, pwede kang mag-add ng account dito. Okay, may indicator, expert advisors. So, dito po nyo makikita yan lahat. Examples, free robots, okay, scripts, okay. Any strategies na pwede nyo ilagay, dito po siya makikita. Okay, may VPS, services, so please explore. Okay, so you can open your trading account, okay, there, or you can go here sa file and open an account if you don't have one yet, or log into trade account. Okay? When you click the login to trade account, lagyan nyo lang po ang credentials nyo, password, and the server. And then once ma-connect na siya, makikita nyo na siya sa navigator window. Okay? Sige. So, sa baba dito is the trading toolbox. Trading toolbox. Here. Etong lahat sa baba is your trading toolbox. Okay? So, dito, makikita nyo everything about your trading account. Okay? For example, okay, sa pinakauna, this is trade. So, sa trade, you will see your balance. Your balance is the amount, your total closed trades. Equity naman is your running balance, meaning considered na, umangat na si gold, considered na ang hindi pa na-close yung na trades. Okay? Tapos, you have the free margin. And then later, kung may trades na yan, makikita nyo rin ng mga open trades nyo dyan. Okay? So you can also move to the other windows. For example, exposure, okay? History, okay, news, calendar. So you can also put alerts, experts, and then journal. Okay, so you can explore the trading toolbox. How to add the navigator window. View. Ayun po, nasa view po. Go to upper left side, tapos view, tapos navigator window, or control N. Type nyo lang control N para makita. Jessica Vega. Okay? Tapos, the fourth window is the chart. So, see, the charting window. Here. So, sa charting window, para ipalabas yan, okay, close natin muna. Okay? So you find kung anong gusto nyong currency or financial market na titingnan. For example, si gold. Okay? So right-click lang kayo and then chart window. Pwede nyo siyang ganun para mag-fit. Okay, so you can transfer to different time frame using these here. So may H4, H1, okay, you just move to the specific time frame that you want. Pwede din sabay mag-open ng several charts. For example, you just click again and open a chart window. And then dalawa na siya. Click to the window and tile windows to see both. Okay, so you can maybe open this one at the 15-minute time frame, the other one at 1 hour. Okay, then you can also change your the properties. Right click lang kayo and then go to properties. You can change the color. For example, ayaw nyo ng grid. Click nyo lang na wala dapat ang grid. Ito, grid. Click the grid para mawala siya, for example. Okay? And then, if may gusto kayong certain na format, properties lang, then colors, for example, change nyo lang siya. Okay? Once that's done, you can save that template. Okay? Save template. When you want to save a template, click Save Template and then change the name na lang. Para, for example, you want to load that specific template that you're able to change, go to Templates and Load Template. Tapos, hanapin mo yung template na yon. Ayun, automatically lalabas na siya yung previous yun na save. And do the same for the other one. Templates, Load Template, and then yung specific template na gusto nyo. Okay. Ganun lang po siya kadali. Then you can also explore the upper left side, okay? May mga, ito, if you want, for example, you want to know the pips na nag-move, pwede naman ito, okay? 100 pips na. Okay? Pwede din ito, if you want. Okay? So marami pong pwedeng gawin. May Fibonacci retracement din. For example, here, okay? Yan. So, nag-retrace siya somewhere sa 38.2. Okay? Explore lang po ninyo kung if hindi naman makikita dyan, you can click on the insert. May indicators naman. Lahat po ng indicators. You can also create your own custom indicator. Okay? May objects, experts. Experts meaning yung EA nyo po na ginagawa or naka-install na EA. And then, yung mga scripts nyo rin in the past. Okay? So, how do we now create a trade? For example, with gold, okay, control, F9. So, F9, automatically lalabas ang trade kung anong market chart ang nakalabas. So, for example, in this case, si gold, okay, sa type, you can choose pending order or market execution. Ang difference po sa dalawa is this. Market execution is anong presyo ngayon. Pending order is aabangan mo ngayon ang presyo. The trade will be opened if that price is hit. Yun po ang pending order. So, ngayon, let's just use market execution. Okay, so the volume is your lot size. Let's just use the lowest lot size, 0.01. And then you can also input your stop loss and take profit. Then you hit your sell by market or buy by market. Let's try buy by market. Automatically, lalabas siya sa chart mo. So this is the price that we were able to open. Okay? If you want to create the SL, meaning stop loss, you drag it down lang. Yun. So this is the SL, for example. And then, if you want to set the TP, i-drag up mo lang din siya. Okay. So you would also see it in the 1 hour time frame. Okay, for example, in this case, if you click on it, okay, so if you click your trade, ito ang lalabas. The stop loss is 1845 and the take profit is 2182. Ay, just ano pala, ito. So you would profit negative $18. Sorry, you would stop loss mo is negative $18. If your stop loss is hit, negative $18 siya. If your TP will be hit, you will earn $21. Okay, with the lot size that you input, which is 0.01. Okay, and if you go down here, Windows, okay, if you go down po sa baba, dito mo makikita ang trade mo. So, if we go back, the balance is still as is kasi it will only be counted if na-close na ang trade. However, your equity is changing. It's the running balance. Considering how much you are losing and winning currently. Okay, may margin ka, free margin, and margin level. So, margin is how much of your capital is being locked up by the broker because of the open trades that you have. The free margin is how much ang pwede mo pang i-trade. And the margin level percentage is how much, okay, it's the cushion kung gaano ka na kalapit ma-margin call. Okay, so margin call is when the broker automatically closes your account because your capital is no longer enough to cover for the losses. Okay? So currently, ito ang mga the trades natin. So we are trading gold. Kinaka-buy tayo. This is the volume. And the price that we open the trade is 3362.23. Okay? And the SL is this one. And this is the TP. And we are now gaining 0.85. 0.72 cents. By the way, the second price is the current market price. Okay, so how do you get the profit? It is getting the difference between the price that you open the position, okay, minus mo siya sa current market price times your lot size, okay, 0.01. And kung nasa standard account ka, 0.01 is 10 cents. So for example, the difference there is, for example, nasa 20 pips times 10 cents. Okay, so nasa $2 for every 20 pip na paangat kasi nakabuy tayo. Clear po ba yon? Yun. So when you go to Do Prime na dashboard, go to Platform Downloads, and then dito po nyo makikita MT5 desktop, MT5 iOS, kaya depende po kung ano ang compatible sa inyo. Okay? Clear? Ano po benefits po if under you po ang account as IB po namin sa trading account? I mean, if hindi po mag-course. Yeah, no problem. Wait, I'll share with you in a while. Okay. Okay. So, clear ba yon? Any more questions?